Out the storm conditions out here, and it looks pretty bad. It's our downtown Christmas tree. Some walkers coming down the road. Check out that truck. He's going to be towed if he doesn't move. I believe there is a park and band that starts at 1 o'clock tonight. Wow, check it out. Woo! Right at us. Wow. I don't believe there's going to be school, or, well, it's probably Christmas vacation anyway. Here's the North Church. You can see the lights just a bit. Okay, this is Deb Breneman reporting from downtown Portsmouth. It's freezing, and I'm going to head into the house.